Hello, Jim Walcall here with your weekly fine wine investment market update. Today, Thursday, the 17th of October 2013. Okay, a quick run through the week's news. Well, first off, in direct contrast to Bordeaux 2013 vintage, it appears that Champagne has produced an absolute corker this year. Good enough, in fact, to be called a vintage. Now, of course, last year's vintage was of exceptional quality, deemed in fact to be one of the best vintages Champagne has ever produced. And while 2013 may not be quite as good as that, Philippe Bienvenu, managing director of Cartier, said it's not far away from the 2012 vintage in terms of the quality of the grapes. Now, as our regular viewers know, we've been stating that Champagne is a good bet all year, and in a generally flat market, certain Champagnes have actually proven to be excellent investments. So back to Bordeaux. The first growths are still struggling to find their price level at which buyers are comfortable forking out their cash. Indeed, the Mouton Rothschild 2006 sold at a 7-month low on the exchange this week, having fallen in value by 12% since March. I think it's interesting to note that before the entry of China into this market, whose frantic buying of the first growth drove these wines up to crazy prices, well, the average cost of a good case of Liv-ex Rothschild, traditionally the most expensive of the first growths, well, that was around about the £3,000 mark, with most vintages priced at much less than that. Indeed, when the 2005 Liv-ex Rothschild was released onto the market in 2006 at over £3,000 a case, well, the reaction in the industry was almost of disbelief. The message here is that it's not actually a normal state of affairs to have to pay £5,000 plus for a case of first growth wines. It was a unique set of circumstances that drove these wines to such a high price. Well, those set of circumstances no longer exist, and it's our feeling that the first growth market might only start rising again when the wines become generally affordable to those who wish to drink them rather than invest in them. And with most back vintages of Liv-ex Rothschild still priced at over £5,000 a case, we feel there's some way to go before prices drop significantly enough to seriously get the consumers buying again. And now there are, however, many wines on the market that are making excellent returns for investors. So to find out what these are, just get in touch. Our details are on the screen. And remember, if you have wines to sell, then we will sell it for you instantly at the true market price and charge you the lowest fee in the market for doing so. So just contact us to find out more. So that's it for this week, and I look forward to seeing you next Thursday.